In this video, I will show how to remove margins in Microsoft Excel worksheet. So guys, you want to print your Excel sheet and you want to remove margins. So this is the simple setting. Click on this page layout and margins, and in the custom margins, you can remove from here. So make 0. Top, left, right and bottom. Then click on OK. Now once you print, so you can see without margin. Also, you can remove margins from header and footer. So this is the way, and similar method will work in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint. You can add or remove margins in this page layout and in this margins settings. So thanks for watching.